Today is today's race of another of the Fisher Price. All in all, racing. You can race over 2 cars at once. And now to the finish line. This is the first track in this race, and we'll be racing Sally and Graham. Okay, so on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Sally. This is the next track in the race, and this time we'll be racing Raul, Sahul, and Bill. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Rahul Sahul. This is our next racing court, and we'll be racing Luigi and Trunk Fresh. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Trunk Fresh. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Tomater. This is the next racing court, and this time we're going to be racing Lightning McQueen and Francesco Bernoulli. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Lightning McQueen. Okay, and this is our next racing court, and this time we're going to be racing Mac and Lewis Hamilton. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Mac. Okay, this is another race. This time we're going to be racing Shoot to the Roki and Mac Chanel. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Max Chanel. This is the next race, which is going to be Neon, and we're going to be racing Kabuto and DJ. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. Wow. And the winner is DJ, which wrecked into the finish line. That was cool. Wrecking to the finish line will count as winning. This is the next race right here. And this time we're going to be racing Miguel Camino and Gaskets. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Miguel Camino. Okay, now we're doing the Beauty and Army. And this is going to be racing Fillmore and Sarge. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Sarge, hitting the walls to the finish line. Okay, here's the next race. And this time we're going to be racing Real Torque Pistons. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Little Torqueleaf Pistons, another wreck to the finish line. Here is the next race. As right here, we're going to be racing the King and Maid. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is Tomater. Okay, guys, this is going to be the last race. We're going to be racing DJ. Oops. And Jackson Storm. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set, go. And the winner is DJ. Jackson Storm almost made it, but he didn't. Bloopers. We're going to be racing Mater and Sarge. And here is our next race. We're going to be racing Lightning McQueen and Little Torqueleaf Pistons. Wait, I haven't said go yet. Okay, this is our next race. we're going to be racing Fillmore and okay, on your mark, guys. I have never said go yet. Next, we're going to be racing Grim and Clownfish. Okay, on your mark, guys, get set. And go. Okay, next race, we're going to be racing World Grand Prix Lightning McQueen and Neon Lightning McQueen. Okay, on your mark, guys. Okay, on your mark, guys. I haven't said get set or go yet. My God. Okay, so before I end this video, this set can also work with Transformers, monster trucks, and Cars 3 mini racers. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and help this video get to 100 likes.